standing all alone. With no one who reach out for me. Running from me scared, but you don't know why. Find a feeling inside, and the rain keep pouring on my soul, and the rain keeps pouring on my soul, and I keep moving on. Yes, I keep moving on. Yes, the rain keeps pouring on my soul, and I keep moving on. Yes, I keep moving on. The flames, the space between our senses, drifting all along. Keep on fighting with our flesh and bones, fighting for our dreams to survive. The candle in the night, I was standing all alone. You and I are meant to be, just forever in a chance, just forever in a glimpse of life between us. Oh, looking for someone to hold on. No second chance in the water forms ahead. Out in the distance, wall between us, and the chaos is no longer in the heart of the truth fighting anymore, and the pain goes on from another stone, and I keep moving on. Yes, I keep moving along, and the rain still pouring on my soul, and I keep moving on. Yes, I keep moving along. The time and the cages of light keep burning in the night. I was a traveler into your time, but disappeared somehow. The pain is no longer between our senses, but the cry will never stop the pain. You're reaching out for me, I keep wondering where you are, fighting with my flesh and bone to keep you safe, to the distance where you hide. Keep on hiding all my tears, keep on fighting with flesh and bones, hiding between our sands of time, to keep us alive in the distance of the shore of hearts. But the pain still grows, pouring on my soul, and I keep moving on. Yes, I keep rolling over the clouds, and I see the sunshine in your heart, still growing in my mind again. And the rain still pouring on my soul, and I keep moving on. Yes, I keep moving along in day, move along in night, and the have done, still disappear for the last goodbye.